Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Human Reproductive System Part 7. Bingo! Without wasting any of our time, let's go directly to our quiz. Tube through which sperm travel from their place of storage, the epididymis, to the urethra in humans. A. Sperm duct or vas deferens. B. Progesterone. C. Myometrium. D. Infandibulum. And the answer is A. Sperm duct. The outer muscular wall of the uterus. Sperm duct. B. Progesterone. C. Myometrium. D. Infandibulum. And the answer is C. Myometrium. A hormone produced by the ovaries stimulates endometrium, lining of the womb, growth in preparation for during pregnancy. A. Vas deferens. B. Progesterone. C. Myometrium. D. Infandibulum. And the answer is B. Myometrium. Funnel at end of oviduct that catches the egg after ovulation and dilates it into the oviduct. A. Sperm duct. B. Progesterone. C. Myometrium. D. Infandibulum. And the answer is D. Infandibulum. Milk production by the beast of mammals. A. Oxytocin. B. Scrotum. C. Lactation. D. Interstitial cells. And the answer is C. Lactation. A hormone produced by the posterior lobe of the pituitary gland in response to the sudden fall in the level of estrogen and progesterone. It stimulates contraction of the uterus during labor. A. Oxytocin. B. Scrotum. D. C. Lactation. D. Interstitial cells. And the answer is A. Oxytocin. External pouch in most male mammals that contains or holds the testes outside the body at a temperature slightly lower than 35 degrees Celsius than the body temperature, which is 37 degrees Celsius in humans, for the efficient production of sperms. A. Oxytocin. B. Scrotum. C. Lactation. D. Interstitial cells. And the answer is B. Scrotum. Cells situated within the testes that secrete testosterone. A. Oxytocin. B. Scrotum. C. Lactation. D. Interstitial cells. A hormone secreted by the placenta relaxes the joints of the pelvic girdle and aids in the dilation of the cervix. A. Sexual intercourse. B. Relaxin. C. Male reproductive system. D. Ovarian cycle. And the answer is B. Relaxin. Occurs in 3 phases: arousal, copulation, and orgasm. A. Sexual intercourse. B. Relaxin. C. Male reproductive system. D. Ovarian cycle. And the answer is A. Sexual intercourse. The organs involved in gamete formation and copulation in the male. A. Sexual intercourse. B. Relaxin. C. Male reproductive system. D. Ovarian cycle. And the answer is C. Male reproductive system. The changes that take place in an ovary from the beginning of one menstruation to the onset of the next. A. Sexual intercourse. B. Relaxin. C. Male reproductive system. D. Ovarian cycle. And the answer is D. Ovarian cycle. A structure attached to the inner surface of the womb of pregnant mammals, which helps to nourish the fetus and discharge its waste. A. Seminal vesicles. B. Menstruation or period. C. Placenta. D. In-vitro fertilisation. And the answer is C. Placenta. Manufactures seminal fluid, semen, which nourishes the sperm and allows them to swim. A. Seminal vesicle. B. menstruation. C. Placenta. D. In vitro fertilization. And the answer is A. Seminal vesicles. Discharge of menstrual fluid consisting of blood, lining of womb, and unfertilized egg, which occurs monthly from puberty to menopause. A. Seminal vesicles. B. Menstruation. C. Placenta. D. In vitro fertilization. And the answer is B. Menstruation. One of a pair of animals born at the same time to the same mother. There are two types, identical and fraternal. A. Vasectomy. B. Uterus. C. Twin. D. Triploblast. And the answer is C. Twin. Cutting and tying or removal of part of the vas deferens for sterilization of the male. A. Vasectomy. B. Uterus. C. Twin. D. Triploblastic. And the answer is A. Vasectomy. Embryo having three primary germ layers: ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm. A. Vasectomy. B. Uterus. C. Twin. D. Triploblastic. And the answer is D. Triploblastic. Holds the developing embryo during pregnancy. Another name for the womb. A. Vasectomy. B. Uterus. C. Twin. D. Triploblastic. Triploblastic. Dear friends, thank you very much for participating in Human Reproductive System Part 7. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye-bye for now.